We are live. Hi Tanu and hi
Okay.
everybody. I'm Jeel and I'm the interview coordinator for this event. Thank you for being there on the summit, Tanu.
Thank you so much, Jill, for having me here. I'm really glad to be a part of this session. So I'm looking forward to
Yeah,
this interview. Of course, goosebumps are here.
yeah. How are you, Tanu?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So my first question to you is, why do you think should women professionals take up public speaking seriously?
Hmm. See, for most people, the internet is now part of everyday's life, right? And but now we all are exploring in different aspects, creating platforms for ourselves and others too. So women are the best in expressing actually, and they are
Yeah.
trained since birth. So what we need is opportunity, and now it's the right time that we all can come out from the cage. And virtually we can do a lot, can reach many, but with different and unique ideas of your own. And also being a mother, I restricted myself from traveling earlier. And but since I started online, I'm available at touch of a button and I can connect with world and express myself.
Okay. Yeah, true. Absolutely. And what area of professional speaking are you talking about in the summit?
Actually, I have learned a lot during this summit, so there are so many things, but I'm just giving you a short brief about this. So about the business tax, like B2B, B2C, business to business, and
Yeah.
suggested on ideas if starting your business from scratch. So learning from the others and give my ideas too. So I hope they like my idea because I did the same, like leadership, backups on stage, and if you're lacking somewhere and how to overcome our fear if things are not going as planned and ways of having positive especially and two-way interactions with the audience, engaging and connecting with them.
Yeah. So it's all about communicating, right?
Yeah, this is very important nowadays because see, if you are into business, you need to communicate whether you are communication with the customers or communication within the business itself. So of course this is the main key point of any business.
Yeah, true. And why do you think should people around the world attend this particular summit?
See, again, I would say topics related to learning from personal and professional growth and how to remain positive during this time, become a better version of yourself. Because nowadays people are, of course, depressed, a little bit, back of the mind, they are a little bit tense about their families. Of course, me too. But the thing is, like, you need to, should I go this way? Or can I do something which can distract me from the current situation and make me something better what I didn't I wasn't actually. So that's why they should join, because we are all are learning from other speakers, they will also learn from the other speakers. So this is very important to join these summits and learn from the speakers around the world.
Yeah. So thank you for sharing that. And any feedback that you have in your mind for Purvi, which will help her grow the Women of Wisdom movement?
So far, so good. Frankly speaking, I'm really looking forward for more interactions like this. I'm still missing. I'm like, today is the last day for our interactions, and from tomorrow,
Yeah.
what will I do? So I'm gonna miss it. But this was Purvi's initiative, and she did a wonderful job. I really appreciate her. I'm connected to most of my fellow speakers and plan to take it further. My learning doesn't stop here. And after finishing this summit, we should do more session like these, and we all have grown within a week's time, I would say. So got better by
Yeah.
learning and sharing, and must continue to do so in times to come.
Okay. Thank you so much. So it was great interacting with you, Tanu.
Same here,
Thank
Jill.
you. Thank
Same
you for
here.
being here.
Thank you. Thanks, Jill,
Have a
for
good
your
day. Bye
time.
bye.
Bye.